Wow, this airport is so big. Where do I go first? Okay, let's find the check-in counter. My flight is at 10:30. Ah, there it is. Check-in. Great. Let's go.
Good morning. Can I see your passport and ticket, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Do you have any luggage to check in?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Okay, please put it on the scale.
Phew, just under the weight limit. Lucky me.
Yes, it's perfect.
But...
Oh, I see a problem.
A problem? What is it?
This suitcase has no luggage tag.
Oh no. What does that mean?
It means we cannot send this bag on the plane until it has a tag. But I picked it up from the counter. Where is the tag? Maybe it fell off while you were walking. Don't worry, it happens. I will print a new one for you.
Thank you so much. I was really worried.
No problem. Here is your new tag. Please check it carefully. Your flight is boarding at 10 from gate 22.
Got it. Gate 22, boarding at 10. Thank you very much. Okay, Jane, you can do this. Just don't lose anything else. That was a long flight. I'm so tired, but I'm finally here. Okay, now time to get my suitcase. Okay, here come the bags. Not mine yet. I see more bags arriving. Maybe my bag is still coming. 5 minutes have passed and the belt is almost empty. Wait a second. No. Don't tell me my suitcase isn't here. Oh no. The belt has stopped completely. No more bags? This can't be happening. What should I do now? Ah, there's the Lost and Found office. I'll go over there and ask them.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hi, my bag didn't come. It's missing.
Okay, don't worry. Can you describe your bag, please?
Yes, it's, black.
Many bags are black. Is it big or small?
It's medium.
Does it have anything special on it? A sticker, a ribbon, maybe?
Oh, yes. There's a small red ribbon on the handle.
Perfect, that helps. And what's inside the bag?
Clothes, some shoes, and, chocolate for my family.
Okay, please fill out this form with your name, phone number, and hotel address.
Here you go.
Thank you. We will contact you when we find the bag. Usually it takes less than 24 hours.
Really? Oh, that's good news. Thank you so much for your help. Okay, Jane, no suitcase tonight. Just you, your backpack, and your chocolate is gone. Great start. Okay, guys, that's the end of part 1. I hope you enjoyed my travel adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and get ready for part 02, coming soon.